Hello everyone, today we're going to be doing eagle arms. So what we're going to do is sit crisscross applesauce, straight back. What we're going to do is twist our arms around each other. Do you know that eagles make their nests on top of mountains? So we're going to breathe in and make our mountain taller. Keep strong like a mountain. Breathe in. Breathe out. Couple more times. Breathe in. Strong. Breathe out. Now we're going to twist our arms the other way. So twist opposite arms. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. Strong mountain. Breathe out. 2 more. Last one. That's all for today. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.